Hello guys, welcome to my channel Informant. Space, which looks completely black and silent, actually has a lot going on here that we can neither hear nor understand. Almost 44 years ago, on September 1977, NASA launched a space probe into space known as Voyager 1, which for the past 44 consecutive years has been NASA's first space probe. Voyager 1 is in contact with the base station on a mission from which there is no hope of return. This space probe is traveling in deep space at an escape speed of 61 kilometers and is currently floating in the darkness of space far away from us, sending us information about our solar system and the universe and this part of space. But still, this sound was the same as 160 million kilometers, which means that this distance was as much as 4,000 cycles from the Earth to the Moon. Big researchers and scientists were confused. One thing was confirmed, that there must be some force hidden outside our solar system, which is causing this sound. Sound, which needs air and atmosphere to reach our ears. Both of these things do not exist in space, so no sound can travel in space. Sound waves cannot travel through space, but electromagnetic waves can travel through space. It was that strange sound that could be heard, converts it into a radio signal, and then transmits it to Earth. Of course, the message travels at the speed of light, yet it takes a full 21 hours to reach NASA's antennas on Earth. Has been able to record many unique sounds from space. In 2007, there was an incident that surprised scientists. Researchers found some signals in space that were not normal in any way. There were some sounds that disappeared within half a second. That maybe an alien warship is trying to attack Voyager with a laser beam. These recorded sounds, which are called fast radio buses, were something like this. After listening to these sounds, the scientists confirmed one thing, that the more we try to learn about D-space, the more questions we will get. Researchers believe that it could be the result of a supernova explosion in a radio-priest blank hole or billions of light years away. It is also believed that aliens in other planets are more advanced than us, and they charge their spaceships with these radio bursts. Maybe a few of these radio bursts have hit our base prop or just passed by it, but the true nature of these strange noises is still unknown. Yes, these are the sounds that NASA recorded from the inner space, but there is no need to go that far to record such strange sounds. Even from our own solar system, NASA has recorded many strange and terrifying sounds. Voyager 2, launched by NASA to explore the planets of our solar system, it has also recorded several noises that have alarmed the entire world. Jupiter's moon, known as Canamet. And here's the sound that's really going to make you cry. Scientists believe that this sound is the electromagnetic waves that create aurora borealis, similar to the aurora borealis seen in the sky in many parts of the Earth. Auroral lights are also produced in the natural Jupiter organ mead, and it is possible that the sounds you just heard are the converted sounds of auroral lights, produced in Jupiter's moonshine, and any strange noises you have heard so far are not. Rather, NASA has officially published, and no editing has been done in Saturn, which is a planet of our solar system. NASA has also recorded some strange sounds from here. NASA believes that these sounds were sent by spacecraft converting the radio waves from Seattle, and that this is probably the result of the baller lights in Saturn, Whiter 1, which has been continuously providing us with photos and information of outer space for the past 44 years. The sad thing is that we're going to lose it forever. NASA says that Voyager 1 only has enough power to stay in contact with us for the next year or two. Later, we will only have these photos left. We hope you guys will like and share this video as well.